Hey everyone, today is a beautiful day. It's sunny and warm, and I'm keeping to improve my Cybertruck with different useful accessories. All accessories that I bought or got in this video you can find in the description down below. Also, this video is the second part. The first part is in the description down below as well. No matter what, I honestly talk about these accessories, either they're useful or I dislike them. I talk about it no matter what. Let's start. So the first accessories that I want to talk about is these three Tesla cargo bins or whatever they're called. They are pretty expensive for what they do, but if you get them for your credits, they're fine. Also, I like about them that they are designed specifically for the Cybertruck, and I'm not talking about the aesthetics, but I'm talking mostly about the dimensions and the railing system or whatever this thing is. And it's very easy to access these guys. So just grab the handle which is underneath and you can access to your belongings by opening this lid up just like so, because it has a couple of latches here, another one is here, and you can lift it up like this way to grab anything that you need, and then you just close it and you just slide it to the back of your truck and it looks like this, and it's amazing really. Now if you wonder, will they move when you accelerate? Well, yes, the short answer is yes, they will. And you have basically a couple of options how to prevent it. Okay, I got here three mats. The big one is for the bed, the medium one, well, medium, small, I mean, and the small one is for the compartment under the bed. We have an instruction here saying, okay, sometimes it comes folded, well, obvious, and you need the power of the sun to get it unfolded, which we don't have right now. I'll show you. First of all, it's a night time, no sun. Second thing, it's no sun even when it's a daytime, because it's everything overcasty, hazy, or snowy, something like that. Get a heater, keep it by a heater for a few hours, and it will be straight as... Okay, I'll grab a heater and put it by that mat, and it should solve the problem. By the way, check out this flashlight. Oh my god, I love it. Look at this. It's a good thing that I don't have any neighbors around. Okay, so this is an old one and it's noisy, but it should do the thing. We'll see. And it's the morning of another day, and look at that. It's flat. Awesome. So let's install it in the truck. Okay, I guess let's start with this one. For the front, it should fit perfectly. Let's install it here, like so. And, well, it sits inside pretty well. It has a little bit of a lip here. This looks fine. I'll put inside these two bins from Home Depot, and I have the JOWUA bin inside of this, which I reviewed in my previous video. And it looks like that. Awesome. Okay, now it's time for this, the smallest mat. I just need to remove all that from my compartment down here. Just give me a second. The moment of truth. Oh wow. Yeah, this fits very, very nicely, and there is an access to this part, so you can open it and drain it if you need to. Let's check with the moly panel set with the Cybertruck. Yeah, they fit perfectly well as well, so you can keep them if you want to. I don't know, I don't have any opinion on these ones, because, well, it's better to have some more compartment here than less, and these things are basically split this compartment in three parts. But I'll keep them for now. Yeah, the mat is great and it looks great, and it's delicious. Before that, I obviously need to remove those cargo bins because they are full of my items. I use them and I generally love these things. Alright, let's put the last mat in its dedicated place. That's really big. Let's just push it in. It looks awesome. It has this precise cutout for the D-rings.
And now let's put these containers back in the truck. Whee!
So it's been a couple of weeks since I installed those mats, and I absolutely love those. I have two reasons. The first one is they prevent you from damaging the bed of your truck. And while it's a truck and you do some truck stuff, well, you don't want to damage it for sure. And well, this accessory prevents you from that. The second reason is I have those Tesla crates, bins, whatever they're called. And when you accelerate, if you don't have anything in your truck, they tend to move to the back of the bed of your truck, and it's quite annoying. And these mats, because they are sort of rubber based, I'm not quite sure what this material is, it provides a little bit more traction, so those things are not moving to the back of the bed of your truck. It kind of slows it down, if you know what I mean, so it's a little bit better. And talking about that movement, I have another accessory that will prevent that movement completely, and also it will provide some really neat convenience features, I would say. And I'm talking about this multi-panel truck bed divider, and this thing is absolutely amazing, and it's not from Tesla. This is a third-party multi-panel. Let's install it. Installing the divider is extremely easy. It has a latch here, you need to pull it up. And now you need to put this divider at the place where you want it to be at. I like it to be as close to these bins as possible because this thing will prevent them from moving completely. So for that, you need to align these parts and these parts to the L track of your truck. And it should, see there with no any issues whatsoever. And it's pretty snug. Also, what I like about this divider and these Tesla bins is that when you install this thing, you still have a full access to your belongings in your bins, because you can open it, take a look what is going on inside, and then close it, and it will be safe. And also what is important about these things is that they are protecting your items from any kind of moisture, from any kind of water that can get into the bed of your truck, because the bed of your truck is not waterproof. You will still have some moisture inside of your bed. And if you have any belongings here that you won't protect from the water, this is important, because you can put them into the crates and then you'll be sure that you are completely fine. Oh my goodness. And talking about these molly panels, I designed and print these hooks for these molly panels for any kind of stuff that you can hang on a hook. So I printed out of PETG, which is a robust material and should hold up to 40 pounds of weight. You can put it anywhere here and you can use it for any kind of bag or anything like that. So just a little thing that I made. If you want to use it, you're free to go. Another accessory that I love is these two molly panels that I installed on the side of the bed of my Cybertruck, and these are meant to carry some items such as medkits, shovels and things like that for camping. I don't use them too much right now because the season is not there yet, but at the same time I love this and I will be using them a lot during the summer. And there are a couple of things that you should know about these molly panels. The third-party molly panels look exactly the same as Tesla's, but they almost twice as cheap. Tesla is selling separately left and right molly panels, and third-party manufacturers sell both of them together for pretty much the same price. I'm not quite sure how it is right now, but I think that it is still the same. So it is cheaper to buy them elsewhere, not at the Tesla's store. And this is my advice. The second thing is probably this accessory is going to be the least used accessory in the bed of your truck. And the reason is simple. You will be using it probably specifically for camping when you need to hang some stuff onto those panels, such as medkits, shovels, and things like that. Besides that, I think they will be installed there specifically for the look, and you will like them and how they look, but you know, is it worth money? I don't know. Also, another thing that you need to keep in mind about this, 3 accessories installed together: the cargo bins, the volt divider, and the moly panels. If you install them together, you need to keep this L track here empty, because otherwise you won't be able to remove the volt divider, because in order to remove it, you need to unlatch the latch, pull it up, and you need to twist it like so, and you barely have space to remove it. Even in this position, just take a look at that. It's like not really comfortable. You definitely can do that, but if you put some kind of D-rings over there, well, it's going to be impossible without removing your cargo bins from the bed of your truck, which is not ideal. I just thought, by the way, if you're interested to hear about some useful items that I keep in my Cybertruck, comment down below and I'll probably make a video about it. And I'm not talking about accessories, I'm talking about some useful items that improve the experience of owning your vehicle for a long term, like battery packs and things like that. I don't know, like usable things. If you're interested, comment down below. Might be cool. I would watch that. I don't know about you, but I'm kind of like that stuff. So might be fun. Okay, talking about smaller accessories, I really like these cleat hooks that I installed by the tailgate of my truck. I have a pair here and I use this as a handle. If I need to quickly jump in the bed of my truck, I just grab this, pull myself up, and I'm already inside of the bed of my truck. Also, you can use any kind of ropes to tie them around and secure whatever you want to secure. And talking about securing things, I like this quick release rings that you can quickly release from the bed of your truck, like so, because they look like that, and you can just quickly readjust them on your L track. And as you can see, they sit there pretty snug. You can use bungee ropes for these guys and again, secure whatever you want to secure in the bed of your truck. Awesome. Another accessory that EV Base sent to me is these handle compartments. You basically put them into your Cybertruck handles and they will act like compartments. You can put some small stuff or not so small stuff in there. And I'm pretty excited about this because the previous ones that I personally bought on Amazon were terrible, and this promised to be much better. So let's install and see how it goes. Okay, so first of all, let's figure out which is which. I think this is the correct one, yeah. And it sits like that. It's not interrupting any buttons here. I can just put my phone in there and it sits in there like so. This is iPhone 12 Max. It gets in there. Yeah, it's good, and it's not shaky or anything. Like, you can push it out for sure if you want to, but while it sits in there, it just does. And this one is for the rear door. The installation process is very simple. You just insert it into the handle and it sits there. For the rear handles, it feels slightly shaky this way, so I will apply some soft tape and it will go on this side and probably on this side, and it will sit there pretty snug without any movement.
And yeah, I know, it's on DIY, it's not supposed to work like that, but I'm that kind of guy who hates even the slightest possibility of squeaking in a car.
So I used a couple of pieces of styrofoam, and when you put it in, it just sits there and it's not shaky, and yeah, it's absolutely great now. So like this. Besides these things, I really like this, which I installed a little bit later. If you remember those terrible triangles that I installed previously in my previous video, this thing is for the same spot. So I didn't film the installation because I'm freaking lazy, but you just need to push it here and it clicks in. And this thing is spring-loaded. You can open it and close it and open it again and close it and open it and close it. And you can put some stuff in there too. So a usable thing in a door of your truck. Yeah. This is amazing, by the way. Talking about this accessory, I have a whole video about this. This is new for me and I absolutely love this rear view camera mirror. absolutely amazing thing. I think this is a must-have for any Cybertruck owner, but keep in mind that the installation process is very tedious. It's very difficult, so it's not for everyone. Before you buy this accessory, I highly recommend to watch the video and then decide by yourself, because if you can install this accessory by yourself, well, that's good for you, and I'm pretty sure you will be happy with this accessory. Or if you have some handy friends who can install this accessory for you, the same thing, you will be very happy with this. I think this is one of the best accessories that I've had in my Cybertruck, really. And yeah, this is the end of the video. Finally, we are here at the end. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed this bunch of accessories that I enjoy in my Cybertruck. It was not too fun to run around my Cybertruck with a camera like a crazy person, but it was fun to talk about things that I generally enjoy. So yeah. Anyway, thank you for your time, and I guess see you later. It's a nice weather. I told you that, didn't I? Yeah. You still here?